Hello everyone, this is SEJ 101 Design Fundamentals oral presentation on a case study report, and I am working on investigation of 15 March 2018 pedestrian bridge collapse at Florida International University, Miami. So I am now pressing. So let's start. So first come with the abstract. These reports explore the design factors that cause bridge collapse, that become an engineering disaster and provide solution to the problems that occurred. The field of research is related to the bridge and the incurred problems related to the collapse that could have been prevented if the cables were tightened. This review is conducted assuming that for other projects, all departments who having obligations of deadlines with extension ought to invest significant energy to research and go through the total piece of scaffold to stay away from the additional analysis. So, a pedestrian concrete dust bridge in Miami, Florida collapsed during construction. The disappointment of this scaffold caused numerous loss and raised numerous genuine concerns in regard to the plan and the development of the extension, including the arise idea of speed up and span development. Moving further to the findings, on March 15, 2018, at roughly 1:45 p.m., a passway span under the development in Miami, Florida imploded. One representative and five drivers were lethally harmed, and one more worker forever incapacitated. When the extension fell as the drivers sat tied to the traffic signal under the scaffold, and the workers were performing work exercise on the top of scaffold structure. The extension at the current phase of development comprises of a solitary substantial basket spreading over around 174 feet and weighing roughly 930 tons. The authority reason for the occurrence was the free connected links of the scaffold. The extension has foundational layout lacks that added to the breakdown during the development stage. Third, the break on the extension happened because of insufficient underlying model. After the findings, which the main contributors were the manufacturing, where the design of the bridge was initially maintained, but at the time of execution, the main problem was for the losing up of the cables. Moving to the assembly, the development was to be acted in stages, as they were the substructive casting, substructive precasting, extension of main span, casting of backspan, and different others. And last were the installation of landings. Like the all assembly were divided in different stages. The cost next coming to the cost, replacement collapsed pedestrian bridge will cost $25 million, and also the six people were killed and 10 were injured. Last not but the least, serviceability. Pedestrian bridge was useful additional to the urban environment because they improve the quality of cities by connecting spaces and shortening travel distances. The pedestrian bridge can be beneficial not only to pedestrian but also to the cyclist seeking a more environment-friendly method of transport. At last, on May 6, 2020, FDOT declared design to plan and revamp the scaffold with directions from the NTSB. The planned stage is booked to start in 2021 and keep going for the long time, with a further 2 year assessed to develop the extension. So that was the case study report. Thank you.